What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deepak Sharma. Today's session we are going to talk about another feature ES6, that is spread operator. So guys, what is spread operator? The JavaScript spread operator allows us to quickly copy all or part of existing array or object into another array or object. The syntax is spread operator is three dot. The spread operator is used to expand or spread an iterable or an array. Okay. So guys, just looking with example like I have spread operator. We are using array with object and string. So I'm going to start with array. So guys, if we want to combine two arrays, then before the ES6 we can use by concatenate method like like this. The output is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, but after the spread operator we can handle it by easily. Like this. Now going to look another example with object. I am creating vehicle object. Creating another object, update my vehicle. Now the color is yellow. They updated the object key and added the type and year, and the result is this. So guys, if we have a string, I want to we want to iterate it like this. Okay, done guys. Thank you so much.